Hey buddy, today in this video we're making air fryer pork loin filet with sweet baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Let's begin. We have here Hormel original pork loin filet and it's around 1.5 pounds. Now let's open it up. Next we're going to season it with some Old Bay seasoning. You can be generous with the seasoning. Spread it out. Make sure to get the sides. Turn it around, do the same thing. Get the sides. Spread out the seasoning. Looking good. Next, we're going to add some sweet baby Ray's barbecue sauce into a bowl, which we'll brush on later. There you go. We're going to put the barbecue sauce on the side for right now, and let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn on the air fryer. We're going to preheat it to 400 degrees and we'll be back. Okay, it's fully preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the pork loin filet. There you go. Okay, let's put it in. We're going to turn it on. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees for a total time of 28 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 12 minutes so far at 400 degrees. Let's flip it over real quick. Let's flip it over. There we go. And now let's put it back in for the last 16 minutes. And we'll be back. It's been 24 minutes so far. Now let's add the barbecue sauce. Make sure to get the sides. There we go. Now let's turn it over. And let's brush some of the barbecue sauce on the other side. There we go. We have the barbecue sauce on all sides of the pork loin. And now let's put it back in for the last 4 minutes. Okay, it's been a total time of 28 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take it out. Looking great. Let's take it out. There we go. Let's check the temperature real quick. It's above 145 degrees and we're set. We're just going to let it rest for 5 minutes and we'll be back. Okay, we let the pork loin filet rest for 5 minutes and now let's cut it open. It's nice and juicy. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer, pork loin filet with sweet baby Ray's barbecue sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.